The ice skating princess and the football king.
Weird.
Would make a beautiful sports facility for your new franchise.
This ice rink?
So guys, I'm peeling some potato. What I'm gonna do with these potato, guys, I am going to be cooking them for a little while. What I'm gonna be doing, guys, I am going to be boiling them for a little while, just like this, cubes, and then we're gonna be frying them after. So decent size cubes. These are some big potato that I bought from Walmart. So nice cubes, guys. The water is boiling so far, so just waiting to put these in the pot. So what we're doing, guys, for for our Thanksgiving dinner, we are doing a bunch of different stuff. Okay, we're doing jerk chicken, we're doing brisket, we're doing pasta, we're doing potato salad, and we're going to be doing fried sweet potato. We are doing salads over there, cucumber, tomato, lettuce. We're doing cake. We had a bunch of drinks. You know, I did cupcake last night, and I will be icing those. So I'm gonna take you guys. I will show you how I ice my cupcakes. Unfortunately, I could not make a video showing you how I did my cupcakes, but I'll be showing you how I am going to be icing the cupcakes. So let me quickly cook up this potato because the water is boiling, guys. Water is boiling over there on the stove. All right, this potato. And one thing, guys, that we cook everything from scratch. Right. Okay. So I'm gonna quickly rinse them off and then put them in the pot. All right, guys, let's go put them over the pot over here. Pot is boiling up. Ready for this potato. All right, so we're just gonna leave that and let it cook, guys. Then we're gonna this again. So my husband is on the outside, taking care of the jerk out there and the smoker. So he's smoking the brisket, and he have that brisket on from 5:30, and it's still on, guys. It takes time. And he's jerking the chicken as well. I did the seasoning from last night. I seasoned from overnight, guys, right? To get a nice authentic Jamaican jerk chicken, guys. You gotta do it overnight, right? It's not a quick fix, trust me. To get Jamaican authentic jerk chicken, you can't just quick fix it. It's not done that way. It's a process. We have to season it with all the nice spices that we have, and all the seasoning, and then we put it down to let it marinate, let that season soak through. So we did all that last night. We did the same thing with the brisket. So we have it now outside. The brisket is on, and the chicken is being jerked. I'm gonna show you guys what the chicken look like in a few moments. Let me throw this out, guys. So all the kids are here, guys, so they will be having dinner with us today. It is so nice to have all the kids with us. The big kids are here and the smaller ones, so everybody's here, guys. So we're gonna be having a real fun time today. All right, let's throw this up a little bit. All right, guys, so I had the pasta in the oven. So it's ready. It's making noise here, so we're gonna be taking it up. I think I could bake it some more to melt the cheese on top, kind of. All right, guys, so it's all ready. I have another one to take out. All right, guys, so this is it. This is our jerk area. This is where we have the jerk pan, and that's the smoker on that side. All right, guys, so let me show you what it looks like. All right, guys, so there it is, our nice yummy jerk chicken. This portion almost done. These are the second batch that we are doing. We still have more here in the pan that needs to go in. So that is it, guys. So these we're going to be taking out, and then we're going to be basting these with our sauce that we make. So as we jerk, we baste the chicken, guys, to make it have this nice, awesome color, guys. And that's my secret. That's my secret base here that I make for it. Travis and Jaden over there playing. You're flinging the ball so hard, Jaden. You're playing rough with your daddy. He must have to tackle you because you're older than him and you're bigger than him. So he have to rough you up. Oh, goodness. All right, guys, and then the brisket is on this side. He wrapped it now. It's already smoked, but he now wrapped it with parchment paper, and then he's continuing to cook it. I guess that is going to moisten a little bit. The paper run gone, guys. Let's go get it. All right, guys, so we're gonna go back inside and continue cooking. We're gonna turn off the potato because I don't want this potato to be overcooked. A little bit more. Oh. Salmon! Wagwan! Eh?
Alright, fine.
That's Mosey. Yeah, that can come out now.
Looks
Are they
Skyly.
ready? Eh? Oh, Skyly did it. Hi, Skyly!
You know what it is? If you're real Jamaican, you know what it is.
Alright, guys, so we get the pan. We're gonna be putting the chicken now. Mosey, come here. Come here, Mosey. Take this pan. Put it in the kitchen for me. Put that away. Put this over that side, Daddy. Push down that pan. Alright, guys, so time to take off the chicken. Alright. There's a nut. Put the snuff on top of it. Okay. Alright, guys, so Mr. Salmon is removing the cooked chicken from the pan, and then we're putting it in this file tin here.
Let's go to the fence.
Jaden. Jaden is trying to put the ball over the fence, guys. Look at him over there. Oh, goodness. Yummy chicken leg, yeah, for me. See, guys. Ooh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Jerk chicken, guys. Ooh. Hold up one of jerk chicken in your hand, that makes like a picture. Yummy jerk chicken, guys. Yay! Ooh, this looks so nice. Wow. Guys.
Alright, stop this thing.
Huh? Yeah, make a stop base those. Alright, guys, so
You come this way.
alright, guys, so this is the way we base it. So we have our base sauce here. So this chicken, hold the chicken already, hold it on the chicken. It's already half jerk, so this is the time we will start putting the base on it. And it's almost, you know, it's halfway. So this is how I base it, guys. Alright, so we leave that and let it sit there and then we continue cooking.
What's in the smoker?
That's brisket in the smoke over there.
Yay!
So we are smoking the brisket. Daddy have that on from 5:30. And it is what time now?
2:40.
And it's now alright, guys, so this is what it looks like after I base it. So yeah. Alright, guys. The prodigal daughters has arrived. The prodigal daughter has arrived. Didn't hear of the prodigal son in the Bible? So you're the prodigal daughter. So you gotta go read your Bible. So Chadis is here, guys. That I want. Yeah, that good. Oh yeah, we can use that on base. You get ketchup. All right, so we can use that for this something. Oh, that's good. Huh? It's here.
Sorry, I was supposed to come earlier, but minute.
Look at them, guys. Daughter and father. Look at them. Look at them favor. Look there. Twin. They're twinning. Look. Twin. They're twins.
Big five, birthday, right?
This one. It's thick.
More
No, we're good.
oh. No, we didn't know if you didn't want 20s or.
No, two sausage good.
Oh. And this, when you look at the macros, it's 7
get
grams
right.
of protein.
Oh, we have that.
Bro, did, eh?
I'm not really asked that.
She asked me so much she for bring, so I said, alright then, this is what I bring Cynthia, because she want to bring then. She want to bring Cynthia.
I have a 4-day weekend, so when it comes to tomorrow.
I don't want to bring Cynthia, bring Cynthia. Eh?
When it comes to tomorrow.
Yeah, 4 days a week.
Work?
They got close there?
No. We can,
Alright guys, so the potato is done, so I'm going to be straining it. And alright Chalice, now that you're here, be my camera guy, hold the camera for me. Alright, so I'm going to strain the potato.
did I get this for you, but you have it now.
Call it 360?
Yeah.
Did you buy it 360 from last year?
Last year.
Or I think this year, early this year. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in an ice bath. So let me get some ice in this. Hold it for me. Hold it for me.
The ice.
I'm getting some ice on this side, guys. We're making an ice bath for the potato. For the potato. You will see what it's gonna be.
I'm gonna put the foundation on.
But we need to finish. The one cold water now is not coming out of the fridge. No, the line for the pipe. Cool. Alright, that's enough. Alright, so now we're gonna be adding the potato to this ice bath. Alright.
I'm gonna make mash. Sweet potato.
No ma'am.
Hi, Titi.
Soon get to see what it is. Alright, so the potato is gonna stay in this. Alright, I'm gonna add a little bit more ice to it. Where you can cut that off. Just stop it.